Just styling, guys. Alright, Jamie's up next. Doing it for DC on 4. Nice! We call that an Indian crowd. Straight off the back of the bike, legs crossed. What's up, John got? Nice, grand double hill clicker. One of John's staple tricks. Jay just feeling it out there, man. We've got to give these guys some encouragement when they go past. So let's give it, make some noise for Jamie Swift. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's motivate him. A little tweak out there. Really want this win to die down. We want to do the best show possible for you guys. Styling little whip. John nearly wanted me over right there. John has got a Twitter as well, so any guys on Twitter, he needs to make some more fans because Jamie's got quite a lot.